Look at this stunning display of red. When you come to the Hammond Research Station, your eyes are automatically drawn to it. We had our Louisiana Master Gardeners Appreciation Day today. We asked them to go out throughout the trial gardens and flag winners, and this was clearly one of them. Look at all these flags. This is just a stunner. Now we know that Coleus is an annual bedding plant that grows well in the warm season, so in the spring through the summer into the fall, and dies at our first freeze. Now one of the best qualities about Coleus is that it has beautiful foliage, and look at this just bright red foliage. Now the newer growth or shaded growth has some green coming out in it, but in the full sun you see this intense red. Now Coleus again is prized for its foliage, not its flowers, but many Coleus at the end of summertime will produce flowers, and that's not what we want, and oftentimes gardeners are forced to deadhead those flowers out. But with Redhead Coleus, you're not going to have to do that. As you can see here, compared to the other Coleus in the trial gardens, this one is holding its foliage and not producing flowers. Now this performs best in full sun, but again, if it's in partial shade, you'll get some more of those green colors mixed in there with the red, and it's just a stunner, growing about 3 feet in height, and you just get that beautiful red foliage on Redhead Coleus. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.